Our team has been able to automate so many of their day-to-day tasks, including one of the most significant things that changed for us is just how we route our incoming contacts and what the flow of that looks like. Prior to using Gladly, we would spend up to 2 hours a day just organizing and routing our contacts to the right agents to then be serviced following that 2+ hour time frame. Responding to a customer's need with Gladly has allowed us to really focus on high-value customers and high-value conversations. So conversations that need extra attention, that need a little bit deeper diving into them, or maybe it's a customer scenario that's a little bit more complex. Gladly has allowed us to really handle the easy and strive to take care of the difficult.